So you might be in a situation where for some reason your MetaQuest 3S controller buttons are just not working. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. So the very, very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your controllers themselves that you're using, basically the battery and the power are fully working. So you might want to go through and just double check the batteries that you have inside of your controllers. This in and of itself can be the number one way to go and fix this problem. A lot of people might be running into these issues because your battery inside of your controllers aren't working right, or maybe they're not plugged in properly. So just go ahead and make sure that that isn't the case. And that in and of itself can be the number one way that you can go ahead and fix this problem. So just go through and make sure that your controller batteries are perfectly good. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you can also try going through and restarting your headset. So this is pretty basic too, because sometimes you might just be having some problems with your headset itself. So try going inside of your headset, itself. You want to go ahead and completely shut down your headset. You can go and just use it, use your fingers to go ahead and do it, both on the screen and physically if you hold down the power button. So go ahead and do that. Let the console completely die out. Go and turn it back on. Then you want to go and check the controllers themselves. Click on a couple of buttons, see if it recognizes it. And if it still doesn't recognize it, you can actually go through and reconnect your particular headset with your controllers. So go inside of your headset settings. You want to go into devices. You want to go into controllers. And then you want to select the option to go ahead and reconnect your particular controller to your MetaQuest 3S. And most probably that will end up fixing it. You can also try updating your controller or updating your headset, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.